7 Ways to use lemons for beauty. Lemon is one ingredient that not only adds a delicious taste to cooking, it is also known for its properties in health and beauty. This food has properties that are astringent, disinfectant, and act as a natural lightener for hair and skin. They are also characterized by high contents in vitamin C, antioxidants, and compounds that regulate acidity and promote fat elimination. If you still don't know the best beauty secrets that lemons have to offer, read below for a few of their uses, so you can get excited about their benefits and enjoy them. They are good for skin. Lemon is a fantastic ally for skin, especially for people who suffer from oily skin. This ingredient, and its astringent properties, promote excess oil elimination and significantly improve skin's appearance. That's why it is important to keep in mind that lemons should be applied before going to bed, and under no circumstances should you expose yourself to sunlight. This could cause stains. It's best to apply the treatment, and the next day, use sunscreen. All you need to do is squeeze the lemon a bit and apply it directly to your face using a spray or a cotton ball. Lip exfoliant. There are a lot of factors that could affect lip health, making them look dry and cracked. In order to say goodbye to this problem, one good solution is to apply a bit of lemon juice to your lips before going to bed, and you will begin to notice the changes. This ingredient promotes hydration and eliminating dead skin cells or highlighted hair. This is one of lemon's most well-known beauty uses, as it has been proven to produce good results. In order to lighten your hair and to make it shiny, apply lemon juice to your hair and expose it to the sun. With sun contact, the lemon will help lighten your hair, giving it light and golden highlights. It's best to do this at least once a week for good results. Fight blackheads. Lemons have astringent and antibacterial properties that promote the elimination of waste and excess oil on skin. They are great allies for fighting annoying blackheads, because they promote the elimination of toxins and deeply clean the skin. At night, rub a bit of lemon on your skin and let set for 10 minutes. Remove it with copious amounts of cold water. Remember not to use this treatment if you are going to be exposed to the sun. Improves marks. Acne, sun exposure, illnesses, diet, and other factors can all cause marks on skin, which aesthetically do not look very good. One very effective way of improving and reducing the appearance of marks is to apply a bit of lemon juice to the affected area, allow it to work for 15 minutes, and wash off with cold water. Do this treatment at night, as sun exposure could cause adverse reactions. Nail strengthener and whitener. Using chemicals, household chores, and a lot of other bad habits can cause nails to weaken and or become stained. Lemon is a wonderful ally for fighting this problem, as it promotes the elimination of marks on nails, strengthening at the same time. All you need to do is combine a bit of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then apply to your nails. For your armpits, lemon can be an excellent ally for caring for armpit skin, as its properties act as a natural deodorant while at the same time clearing up the dark stains that usually form in this area of the body. Lemon's citric acid is responsible for killing bacteria that cause bad odors, so it can work as an emergency deodorant. In order to lighten your armpits, you should mix lemon juice with oatmeal and a little bit of honey. The resulting paste should be applied to your armpits, and allowed to work for 1 hour.